Today's video is a collab with the group Beauty Over 40. The first Saturday in August is National Sunflower Day. That's my sunflower. Today's video is with the group Beauty Over 40 collab. And it says, create a look with your favorite sunflower. Show a picture of your sunflower. So I'm going to create a look with these colors in mind. This is my sunflower. First Saturday in August is National Sunflower Day. I'm going to use this small pencil and put the brown, which is the center of the sunflower, right here. I kind of trace a flower and then I'm just going to fill it in. So this brown represents the center. That's the center. I'm going to use this brush and I'm going to go into the yellow and put it right here. Taking this and I'm going to put a little bit of green. More green. Today's collab with the group Beauty Over 40 is to create a sunflower eyeshadow look and to show our sunflowers. I started with one thing in mind and something else transpired, and this is the look for today. I have the brown in the outer corner, I have the green, and I have the yellow. If you look at this, these are the leaves. These are the leaves. And I took inspiration from the complete bundle of sunflowers. Do I look like a sunflower? I hope I do look like a sunflower. Today's I am came from the comments and it says, I am what I am by God's grace, and God's grace has not been for nothing. Let me say that again. It says, I am what I am by God's grace, and God's grace has not been for nothing. And this came from 1 Corinthians 15:10. That was left in the comments. Thank you very much for leaving all of that in the comments. And remember, until I see you and you see me, God's grace is yours. God's grace is yours. Bye.